How to access your credit score through Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly access your credit score through Truist online banking platform. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you simply have to click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you have to log in with your credential and once logged in, you simply have to look for the section labeled Credit Score, Credit View Dashboard or View My Credit Score on your account homepage or menu. And this may be under Services or Inside. And if this is your first time, Truist may ask you to accept the terms and condition for accessing your credit score. So just click accept to continue and after that you would see your current credit score on the next page with the date it was updated and the factors affecting it like payment history, credit uses and account age. And with that, you can explore the extra features like a credit report summary, helpful improvement tips, and alerts for significant changes to your credit. And that's it. That's how you can access your credit score through Truist Online Banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.